MoKo is a iPad for 9th generation. They come in a number of colors. Check online for further detail about your product. You're going to simply take your iPad. You're going to align it up correctly into the sleeve. Just drop it in, press in on the corners, close up, take anywhere you want to use. If you want to watch a movie, take this piece here and simply just fold it. It acts as a small angle stand that you could simply place up and watch your movie at an angle or type at an angle. This also has spots for your pen. If you have a pen stylus that you can write, it fits right in here. So if you're looking again to protect your product, close up, give a nice look, a nice feel, a nice grip for your iPad 9th generation by MoKo.